Strobel Companies began right here in Clarks, Nebraska back in 1946 with my grandfather, Leonard Strobel, as a small blacksmith shop. His attention to the customer need and his desire to serve those people he worked with is foundation to what we do today. We have 3 companies: Strobel Energy Group, Strobel Energy Logistics, and Strobel Manufacturing. We have offices in Clarks and Omaha, Nebraska, with regional representation in Fort Worth and Tyler, Texas, Oklahoma City, as well as Canada and Mexico. These companies work hand in hand to bring solutions to the oil and gas industry, from project development to design and engineering to construction, fabrication, and operations. We are here to help. We provide full EPC services, from rail terminal facility design and turnkey construction to tank foundations, pressure vessels, pipe spool fabrication, or custom skids, small basic to large and complex. Our team is driven by energy. Let's talk about how we can get to work for you.